My name is Amin Jaffer, and I'm one of the 3 artistic directors for the Islamic Art Biennale 2025 edition. But concurrently, I'm also director of the Thani Collection. The theme of the Islamic Arts Biennale 2025 and all that is in between really offers an expansive vision of creativity and culture across Islamic civilizations. Gallery 5 really looks at creation and beauty. So if the first 2 galleries are very much about the heart, and the second 2 galleries are very much about the head, the 5th gallery is very much about the hand or the hands. Gallery 5 of the Islamic Art Biennale space is consecrated to showing works of art from 2 important collections. It's called المقتني. It's really paying homage or paying respect or celebrating the achievements of 2 collectors. Sheikh Hamad, since the age of 6, was visiting museums. The first visit was to the Louvre. And from the age of 18, he started to collect works of art. And he's formed a collection now of more than 5,000 objects. So the Thani Collection is characterized, first of all, I should say it's a collection of more than 5,000 pieces that starts from the Neolithic period to the present day. So it's very eclectic, it's very, very diverse. And the Islamic art within the collection is one component. The taste of His Highness Sheikh Hamad is very much focused on virtuosic craftsmanship, luxury or rare materials, precious metals, jewels, hard stones like rock crystal, etc., jade. The Furusiyya collection is remarkably focused. It's really the inspiration behind the collection, let's say, are the arts of chivalric culture in Islam. We, the visitor, will really have a big understanding of the high quality of craftsmanship that went into the production of these ceremonial objects that really expressed power. They expressed military power, political power, and physical power. And so the collection really shows how sophisticated were the arts of chivalry in the Islamic world. In both the Thani collection and the Furusiyya collection, what we're seeing are the highlights of the collection. Why these 2 collections in particular is because they're both collections that have acquired a certain visibility. These are collectors who have taken the leap in terms of showing the collections to the public, in terms of publishing their collections. So they've made a contribution that is not limited to a small circle. It's the contribution to worldwide understanding of Islam and Islamic civilization. And we at the Biennale wanted very much to celebrate these 2 collectors and to make their collection better known in Saudi Arabia and better known to visitors to the Biennale. Al-Muthala, or the canopy, refers to the exterior space of the Western Hajj Terminal complex where the Islamic Arts Biennale takes place. These outdoor spaces will be accommodating a range of new commissions by contemporary artists on the overarching topic of the garden in Islamic civilization. The subject of the garden will appeal to people of all ages, of all backgrounds, of all parts of the world. Working along with my co-artistic directors on this project has been incredibly enriching because we each bring to the project our different backgrounds and our different experiences. The idea is very much for our visitors to really be mesmerized by the works of art on display. And this is the idea of Al-Muqtani. It's very much to look at collecting, taste, the individual collector, and how we can all be inspired by objects. For me, the inspiration on working in the Biennale on the section of Al-Muqtani is very much the Thani Collection and His Highness Sheikh Hamad, who's a great collector. I would say to visitors, enjoy.